Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'll be showing you what we typically cook on a Sunday. We switch it up normally to different type of meat. And see, Dan is getting ready to blend up the seasoning for the jerk chicken. Normally in Jamaica we just use some onions, scallion, garlic, some scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, and all of that mix up so we can, put it on our jerk chicken. But he's adding also some Walker jerk seasoning to it, and we're just gonna blend that up. And it's Sunday morning, so we should have done that last night. To the chicken, and it's full of flavor. We also add in some Jamaican seasoning to the chicken and kind of rub that in and just let it sit in the refrigerator until we're ready for it. So for today's dinner I'm making rice and peas, and I'm just using some small red peas, and I washed it about 4 times just to make sure it's really clean. And I'm just going to add some garlic to that, put it on the stove and let the peas cook.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do.
This part I'm adding some scallion and thyme to it. I'm going to season the pot a bit. So this is my coconut milk I'm also adding, and I'm just going to let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, not much, probably 10 minutes. And then once it's cooked, I'm going to add my rice.
This right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear.
Okay, now I'm getting ready to start making my jerk chicken, and I'm doing it in the oven because listen, the best way to make jerk chicken is on the grill, not in the oven. But when they are foreign, you have to just turn on the oven and use it. And plus it's too hot for go outside.
That I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let
put that in the oven, start off at 375 degrees, and just let it cook, and then I'll turn it up probably after half an hour.
Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning.
Down here we're making some.
I'm
You look lovely.
done. Thank you.
All right, you look sexy. Dan doesn't like when I say he looks lovely, but okay. So Dan making the
What you call
Jamaican
shredded
style shred vegetable. Yeah, we call it. You call it coleslaw. Coleslaw, shred vegetable, kind of the same.
Yeah, put 3 teaspoons of sugar in it, granulated sugar. Add some mayo, just enough. That's about quarter cup. Let's make it a half a cup. I'm gonna incorporate it. Normally I just put on some gloves and mix this because it's a lot quicker than using a spatula. Plus you get your hands in it.
So Dan shredded some cabbage, carrots, and is
And-
that sweet pepper?
Yeah,
Yeah, the
added some
green sweet pepper.
Green sweet pepper, sliced it up.
And sometimes you can put raisin in it as well.
Yeah, I like it when the raisins are in there.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
I remember walking on the beach before I met Tiffany, and you know, I was a tourist then, and there was tourists there as well, and some of them, they reminded me of raisins. Sitting out there getting a new tan, and they all wrinkle up like a raisin. And I'm like, oh, this is how raisins are made. Incorporated the mayo and the sugar, mixed it well. I'm gonna put it in this orange bowl. And waiting for the noise. There we go. All right, let's put this in the refrigerator. An American potato salad, my version of it anyway. Add a little salt. I boiled some potatoes, diced them up, kind of medium dice. Add a little pepper, maybe 2 pinches. Here I have a mixture of these are a quarter of a green bell pepper. I have some sweet relish. I also have some onion, about a quarter of each one of them. Okay, I'm gonna add that in there like that. Okay. I have 2 boiled eggs. Add the one that I chopped up first, and use the other one for garnish. Add about a 1/3 cup of mayo. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of mustard. So,
When you're around, I start losing my grip. I need to keep my head cool. Don't keep me wet. Even on a Saturday night, I got a soul that I like to fool.
now it's done. We're gonna transfer it to a serving bowl.
There you go. I gotta listen, learn. This beautiful lady's on the top of the chain. We'll be enjoying your first turn. 'Cause the way you look tonight, I'm checking you out. There's only one
Not a lot. Just some color. All right, this will go in the refrigerator.
That's it for today. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That would be deeply appreciated, and we love you all. Please don't forget to remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find.